After exploring Srinagar, now it's time to explore another beautiful place which Kashmir has got to offer.
जैसे सेम डे के लिए कोई आता है, उनका गाड़ी इधर ही पार्क में पार्क हो जाता है, फिर यहाँ से वो घूमने के लिए जाते हैं.
In today's video, I will show you all the hotel we stayed in and the view from our room. I think this is the best hotel to stay in Gulmarg during winters. After a long journey from Srinagar, here we are in Gulmarg, and this is how our hotel looks like, which is covered in snow. The name of our hotel is Heevan Retreat. What do you think? How would the dreamland be like? For me, this was my dreamland. Now let's quickly enter the hotel. This hotel is made with wood, as you can see, and it is totally heated. You won't feel that outside it is totally covered in snow because it is so comfortable inside. So after collecting our keys from the reception, we are heading towards our room. So each of the room here is centrally heated, like there are heater provided in each of the room, and there is a bed, 2 bedside table, 2 study lamp. Next to the bed there is a mirror, and there is also a cabinet where you can keep your belongings. Now moving towards the bathroom, which also have heating facility and warm water supply, so that is all you need to freshen up and take bath. Here 2 sitting arrangements are made, and there is a study table. In this chair you can just sit and have your morning cup of tea or coffee with this wonderful view. Now let's move towards the most interesting part, the balcony and the view from the balcony. So here is 2 sitting arrangements so that you can sit, relax and enjoy the view. Waking up to this view in the morning gives me chills when I think about it. Truly, the stay in this hotel was splendid. You can play with snow inside your room. That is only possible in Gulmarg. So now moving towards the restaurant, which is very beautiful, and here we are having our breakfast, which was complimentary. And look how beautifully they have made the restaurant, where wooden works are showcased, and here you will see the view. So wonderful food with a wonderful view. What else do you need? Look who came to give us company. There is also a souvenir shop from where you can buy some gifts for your family members, your friends. So there are shawls and some Kashmiri specialities which you can get for your family members. In the hotel you will also get a playroom where you can just enjoy, have a gala time with your friends and family, relax and enjoy the wonderful weather here in Gulmarg. And this hotel has provided all the comforts you need to spend a wonderful holiday with your friends and family. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all will like it. Thank you for watching.